got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a
Hello guys, it's your girl, Glamlookbykem, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, you're a darling. Thank you for joining us today. So today I'll be having a tutorial on a smoky look. Don't I look like a what? A snack. Look at me now, guys. I'm looking smoking hot. So you can wear this look to a date, dinner, whatsoever, club. My dear, you're gonna slay. You're gonna what? Slay this look. So if you're interested in seeing how this whole look was achieved, keep what? Watching. So guys, I already prepped my skin and we're heading right into it. You guys already know how I prep my skin. So I'll be using Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfecto for my face. It's a primer. So using the bits. This sweater is not friendly, so I don't want to dry up my skin. Just a bit. So we're not doing voiceover today. I just wanted to speak to you guys. Yes, hopefully you don't take lights, because once they take the lights, I will need to get the gen on. You already know what will happen. We switch to voiceover. But yeah, so like I said, I didn't want to prime a whole lot because this weather is drying my skin. Like I already moisturized, but I'm not finding this weather funny. So we're done with that, and I will go straight into this for my brows. This is a brow gel, a hair gel, any way you call it.
always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah.
Step is to go into my foundation, Skin First. We're doing Skin First today, and I'll be using my Ever Sugar Banana brown sugar. It's so funny. I'm using my brown sugar, Huda Beauty brown sugar, and mixing a bit of Milani. You already know I don't like my foundation too light, so the other foundation I used to mix is finished, so that is why we're using this. And where in heaven's name is my pan? Got it. So a bit, just a pump of the dark foundation and my Huda, like 2 pumps of Huda, and I go in to mix.
Like to get away, I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends, I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold, where she came from, no.
Yes, so the next thing is for me to highlight, and I already brought out my concealers, but I think I should contour first. Yes, I would contour first, then. So I'm still going into this Milani, and I'm using just 1 pump to contour. One.
Bad intentions. She got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body.
Next is for me to blush. And you already know I use my concealer, orange corrector. I use my orange corrector, and I'll be going in a bit with the orange corrector. The orange corrector and a bit of this red gloss. Right now, and if you this is not a contour tutorial, so I wouldn't be spilling much. I would give a detailed contour tutorial sometime later. You guys, you can't even guess what happened right now. Like, I'm so sad. My Milani powder just broke, just fell off hand. Yeah, it's so sad. Like, everywhere is just so messy, and my white. Oh good, I need to do a little cleanup. But yes, let's get right into it. I had to open another one. It is what it is. So I'm just just have to blend again, like this. I'm not doing any other concealer, please. It's just so I don't have to, so I don't get it does not get to crease. Like when I say I need, what am I even saying? So what? I am just blending out the part that has creased before I set.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling.
So I had to do my brows off camera, and we're back to the eyeshadow. So this is the reason for this video. Yes, we're going for something smoky hot. When I learned makeup, actually, smoky was my best kind of look, for real. Like, if I've not done smoky, that means I'm probably not in the mood to go out. Like, every day, smoky, smoke it up. So I'm trying to blend this off. And I'm going into my Juvia's Place the Warrior 2, and I'm using this.
Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cocaine.
So I'm still using the same Juvia's Place. I'm going to use the shade we used as a blush. So the next thing I do is to go into a gel liner, and we'll be using Zaron gel liner.
The guys want you tonight, yeah. They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession.
You can see I still blending. I didn't add any other shadow apart from the one I used earlier. Can you guys hear me? I know you can.
Baby, show me.
So I'm using this gel liner again for my tight line. Look down first, second, third. So I'm using my mist again. Hello guys. So we're done with the makeup. What do you think? I'm going to I quickly had to, throw in something nice to match the look, and I'm going to get my hair done in a bit and I'll be back.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her